Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's for a Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And today in this video, I'm going to make some cheesy broccoli cauliflower casserole. And yeah, so if you hear the bubbling, that's my sweet potatoes over there bubbling away. Okay, so in this pot, I've got some broccoli and cauliflower just diced up in bite-sized pieces, and I've got about a cup of water down there. I've got it turned on. I'm gonna steam this basically this way, so however you steam your vegetables you can do that. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and get the other ingredients ready, including I'm gonna dice up this onion. Alright, in my pan here I have the diced up onion. I've got 6 tablespoons of butter, about a tablespoon of minced garlic, and about a half a cup of diced up mushrooms. And so I'm going to let that saute until the onions become translucent, you know, soft and everything. Okay, I think that this is cooked enough, and now I've got a 1/4 cup of flour, which I'm going to sprinkle over the top, and then I'm going to get that stirred in, and then we'll cook it about 45 seconds to a minute. Just let that flour cook a little. Kind of makes a roux. Alright, so I've been letting it cook, and now I've got a can of chicken broth here. So I'm going to add that. Get this all mixed in. It's going to seem a little weird. I'm going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese. And this whole block is 8 ounces, so I'm going to want half of it. And so we'll get that in there, and then we need to let that melt in and, you know, get all mixed up and thicken. And then we'll be ready for the next step. Alright, so everything's combined. I just need to add the seasoning. I'm just going to add this saltless chicken seasoning and, you know, probably a teaspoon or 2. It's just a pepper blend, so you can use whatever you want, you know, salted chicken seasoning or whatever. So I'll just mix in the seasoning, and so now we're ready to combine it into our baking dish. Alright, so I have the steamed broccoli and cauliflower in this dish right here. Now I want to add, I've just got some mild cheddar cheese, so I'm going to add it shredded, probably about, I don't know, 2 cups or something. I like it cheesy. And you got to be careful. You don't want to stir your broccoli and cauliflower too much, because they're cooked and they just break up into itty bitty pieces, but maybe that's all right by you. Okay, so then I use the whisk to get that cream cheese incorporated into that. And then I just want to pour this sauce over top. Oops. Make sure it doesn't go over the side there. Okay. And I'm going to just gently coax it around in between. You could certainly do a couple of layers if you don't want to stir it up too much, but you want to get the sauce out to the corners for sure. Okay, that looks really good. Alright, now I'm gonna have to let it bake in the oven. I got it on the side. I'll have to wipe that off. Okay. Let me spread it out. And you could put breadcrumbs on top, or the crispy fried onions on top of this if you want. I'm not going to put anything on top of it. Actually, you know what I am going to do? I am going to put something on top of it. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top. And since I have all this cheese here. And anyway, so we'll bake it in the oven. Let me see, 375 for 25 to 30 minutes, you know. So, okay, I'll show you when it's finished. All right, there's the cheesy broccoli and cauliflower casserole, all hot and bubbly out of the oven. So I'm sure it tastes wonderful. All right, thanks for watching.